Hello my hearties, Captain Crombie here. Well done with your treasure maps last week, they looked amazing. Now this week is going to be our last writing activity together before your summer holidays, and I thought we could have a go at writing a treasure hunt together. Should we see what we can find? Let's take a look at the title, Pirate Treasure Hunt. Underneath it's asking me a question and it says, can you find? I knew it was asking me a question because I spotted this bit of punctuation, did you? There's the question mark. So I wonder what treasures you can find. You'll need to decide first where you're going to do your treasure hunt. If you're working in school, perhaps you'll need to think about the things that you could find outdoors in the early years garden. If you're doing your hunt at home, maybe you could take your treasure hunt off to the park or down to the beach or anywhere else that you like to visit. So I've done a little box over here because I'm going to need to have a way of showing when I've collected each of my treasures. The first thing that I'm going to look for is something yellow. Some is one of your red words, so I can write that here, some. And we know thing from thing on a string. Let's write that together using our phonics. I can hear the phoneme. Oh, it's a digraph, isn't it? A digraph, I, and thing. I can hear a thing on a string. So I'm looking for something yellow. Yellow, what sounds can you hear? I can hear y, Oh, it's Jill on a hill. Oh, and oh, blow the snow. So first I'm looking for something yellow. Then I'm going to draw myself another little box with 4 equal sides. What shall I look for next? I know, I'm going to look for some dirt. What sounds can you hear? The first phoneme I can hear is d. Whirl and twirl. D, t. So I'm going to look for something yellow. Hunt for some dirt. What else could I look for? I know. I'm going to look for some weeds. What sound can you hear? I can hear ooh. E, what can you see? W, E, D, S. Some weeds. What next? I think I'd like to look for some bugs. You might like to call them bugs or insects. I'm just going to write bug. B, A, G, bug. You can choose to find as many treasures as you would like to. I'm going to look for one more to show you, and my last one is going to be some rocks. O, K, S. I wanted to show you my finished treasure hunt, so I've added a few new things on there. I've added on a pond, and I'm also going to try and hunt for some swings. Where do you think I'm going to need to go to find those? There's also a shell, and my goal at the end of my treasure hunt will be to see if I can find myself an ice cream. Over here, this is one of my little pirate friends, and she has a little rhyme for you, and it goes like this. Yo ho ho, and off we go. If you go out exploring, perhaps you can have a go at that rhyme too. The final thing I'm going to need is one of these. It's my telescope. Would you like to come and see if we can find the first thing on my treasure hunt? I'm looking for something yellow. Should we take a look? Yo ho ho, and off we go. Yes, we found the first thing on my treasure hunt, so now I need to do an X marks the spot and cross that one off. Here we are, cross. First thing on my treasure hunt is complete. I'm going to get busy and see if I can find the other things, and then you can have a go at your treasure hunts. If you do a treasure hunt, can you let your teachers know, share it on Facebook? And the last thing to say to you all now is just a really big well done and a really big thank you for joining in with all of your learning over the past few months. I've had lots of fun making these videos for you. I'm going to be off on a new pirate adventure, and you're going to be going off on your new adventure in year 1. Have a wonderful time. We will all miss you lots. Have a happy summer holiday. See you soon. Bye-bye.